Hi, welcome to Jackie Burns Creations. Today is the Unusual Wreath Challenge, hosted by Kiki's DIY. You need to go see her. She is just so talented, but she's hilarious, and she makes me laugh. I will list her in the description below. Anyway, so we were given a challenge to make something a little different out of the way. So I had this tobacco basket, and I had that planter wall hanging. I'm not sure what it is, but my friend didn't want it anymore, and I took it, and I tried to hang it outside, and the wind kept blowing it down, so it just sat outside. And so it's got a really nice patina on it. It's even got some rust on the bottom. And I thought, oh, I think they'd look really cool together. So what I'm doing is I'm getting some baling wire and cutting off some pieces so I can secure the basket or the wall hanging down to the basket. I figured that's heavy duty enough for wire to hold it together. So at first I thought, well, I didn't know if I'd leave the handle on it or not, but it actually fit perfectly. So I tied the handle down first. Now that it's got that pierced edge around the top, I figured, oh, that's perfect to tie the wall hanging down to the basket. And later on I'll go back with a pair of pliers and twist it down really tight and cut off the sharp ends. Nope, Jackie, that's not working. Just go get a pair of pliers, darn it. So this first branch is eucalyptus bunch I bought at Walmart. I really loved the color. It had some berries in it. I think it was $3.95. And the rest of the flowers came from Dollar Tree. You have these orange sunflowers. And I have the yellow sunflowers. And I decided it didn't work in just bunches. I needed to take them apart and put them in some foam so I could mix them up. Realizing they're falling down inside. And there's some red sunflowers that had some berries on them. I'm cutting a piece of foam. That's what you wanted to see is my arm, isn't it? Okay, so I'm arranging the flowers in the foam. I think I messed with this arrangement for the longest darn time. Usually I can put one together really fast, but this was giving me fits. Some viburnum. Now I decided to cut the orange ones apart. I don't know why I just don't do that in the first place. Sliding up the leaves so they'll be higher. Aha! Let's mix them together. I'm a little slow on the uptake. One nice thing about this wreath flower hanger is I can change it seasonally. Okay, finally figured it out. And I decided to make a bow. And I loved this ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree. It was hard to find, but I finally found a store that had some. And I think I bought 3 rolls. And they did have 2 of the black ones. But I made the bow and clipped in the sides and tied it with some wire, and then put a little strip over the wire in the front. No, I didn't want long tails because I didn't want it covering up the hanger. I wanted to show that patina on it. I think the patina is so pretty because it's just got some rust colors in it and a little bit of green, a little bit of blue, a little bit of brown. Just fluffing and putting a little dovetail in the small tails on there. And I'm putting it through some of the holes, and I'm going to wire it in place. Sorry, this is out of view, but I kind of had to stand it up to hook it down. Fluff, 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 fluff. Gotta get it just right. And I did put a little dab of hot glue to put the tails in the right place, and I did put a dab of hot glue to hold it down. Fluff some more. Is a bow ever truly really fluffed right? Okay, here's the finished product on my front door. Tell me what you think. I think the colors are gorgeous for fall. And thanks for watching. I hope you come again, and I hope you subscribe to my channel and hit the button so you'll be notified when I put up new videos. Bye for now. Thanks to all my subscribers.